Hey, what's up guys? So I made a couple of videos about the Godox 60 watt continuous light. Now I'm making one more, right? I now have 3 of these. I use them for my videography work. I use them for my weddings. I use them for my interview stuff. Pretty much anything that I do. I also use it occasionally for product photography. Now a question came about in the comment section of one of those Godox videos that I made about just the power output. Is it possible to do product photography with the Godox? My response to that was basically that if you really want a lot of output, continuous light is not really the way to go. There are some continuous lights that have some really good output, but they will cost a lot of money and you will spend a lot of money. So if you're looking for something affordable, the Godox is great. So of course there are other options out there that are better than the Godox, that are more expensive, some that are maybe affordable, but the Godox is a good start. And also I feel like you can do some product photography. In here I have a setup, a video that I'm about to post that includes the EOS R. Now here's my setup. I have a backdrop here. I have the Godox 60 watt light right here shining through a Easy Glow softbox. This is the beauty dish. I believe I do have a double diffuse right now, and I also have a grid on there. It's going through that double diffusion and also going through this grid. And that kind of cuts down on the light a little. Now this is what the scene looks like right now. It's enough light to light it like I want to. Let's talk about the position real quick. The light positions slightly forward, so we're only getting a little bit of fall off on the background and only feathering really over here. This is not directly underneath where all of it's getting hit, so it's kind of getting feathered by, kind of the outside of the light. So it's not directly getting pounded by light. If I put this directly under the light, you would see it would be a little bit more brighter. I also have the Godox right now set to 100%. So Godox is at 100% output, and you can see that there. And I'm taking some pictures of it using the 70D. I wanted to use a camera that's, middle of the road, decent camera quality, so that you guys can understand that you can do this too. All right, so here we are, taking a couple pictures. My settings right now are 60th of a shutter. It's 1000 ISO, f5.6. Now, you typically want to shoot at a higher f-stop just because you want more detail, you want more in focus. When you're doing product photography, it's really about the detail, the focus, and making sure you get everything tack sharp, right? So you don't want to have a good shot but miss it because the depth of field is too shallow. Okay, so I know for a fact with this camera, when I start to shoot at ISOs higher than 1600, it starts to get grainy, artifacts, all that stuff show up. So I like to stay at ISO 1600 or less. One thing that can help with camera shake is putting your camera on a tripod. You can get that shutter speed a little bit lower, but I try to stay at 60th of a second or go up to about 80th or 90th of a second. 5.6 right now, taking a shot. Sometimes it's okay to be slightly underexposed. You'll have some more details in the shadows still, and you'll be able to bring it up or do whatever you want to with your editing. So these are some of the shots that you're seeing from this camera. And I think they came out pretty well. But yeah, you can totally shoot product photography with this lighting setup. You have to understand what you are doing. Like, you're using a video lighting or continuous lighting for something that is meant, like product photography is meant to be shot using strobe lighting. So if you have strobe lighting, get it. There's some affordable strobe lights that have some great output. Think about what you're shooting and what you're shooting with. So you want to make sure you buy the right tool. So if you want to shoot at like f8 or f11, you're not going to be able to do that with a continuous light like this. It doesn't have a lot of output. You probably need a more expensive continuous light with more output, and also you need to consider buying a strobe light that's more affordable and also has more output. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video, or if you have some more tips for people who are looking for lighting in these type of situations. Put them in the comments below. Tell me your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.